Hey, what's up guys? It's GameSteps here, back with another tutorial. And in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make a Fnaf fan game. Now, a bunch of y'all are like, I really want to make a Fnaf fan game. It's always been my dream to make one, but I don't know what kind of apps to use. I'll leave a link in the description to get Unreal Engine. And I'm going to show you how to make a main menu. This video is basically just going to be about the main menu. And then I'll do different parts. Like, maybe next time we'll do like the mechanics, the newspaper and stuff, who knows. But this is all about the main menu. Make sure you like, subscribe, because it took me forever to find out all the mechanics. But anyway, let's get started. So we need, go up here to File, and then click New Level, and then select Empty Level. Boom. Then go back up to File and save Current As. And then you don't have to do this, but I do it. And then make a new folder and call it Levels. Open it and then save it into that. There we go. Then right click and get a new folder and call it Main Menu. Open that up straight away. Right click, User Interface, and grab a widget blueprint and call this Main Menu Widget. Now, it's like I said, it doesn't, you don't have to do this. It's just, I like to keep myself organized. Open your main menu widget. So this is what it's going to be. Your image is going to be right here and all that. Now, up here by the palette, you're going to search image. Drag that in. And then for these two, you're going to put 0. And then 1920 by 1080. And as you can see, it basically filled up the whole screen, but I like to anchor it to the whole screen. And now we have our image. But we need an image to put there. So under brush is where you will find your images, but you don't have one. So go to your main menu folder, add or import, and then find here's something I made. Yep, it's really not that hard to make. It's literally a screen, a black screen. So you know how all the Fnaf fan games are. Anyway, and this is called. Oh, there it is. Yeah, find it and boom. This is what they're gonna see, because in all the Fnaf games it's basically static and stuff. So compile and save it, and then minimize that. Now, obviously, when you hit play, you think it popped up, right? No. But just to be sure it actually pops up, we're going to add a text and just put it right there. Compile, save. Now see, when you hit play, it doesn't pop up with our widget. We go to Blueprints, Open Level Blueprint, and you can just delete. That. And then off of Event Begin Play, you're going to do Create Widget. Simple, done. Select the class, which is your main menu widget, which is what they're going to see. This is what they are going to see. So when we hit play, it's going to show our main menu widget with the text. And then off of return value, add to viewport. Done. Compile, save. And get all that. Minimize it. And now when we hit play, we see our text right there. And it's very easy to do this. It's really not that hard. Now, of course, you put what this want. So 3. We'll just put 3. And then under font, you can choose a size. I usually use like 80 or like 120. Three. And then change that text to nights. Also, the way I cloned it is Control W. Boom. We got 3 nights right there. Make sure you move this text in with the other text. So then, yeah. No. Control W. Boom. It duplicated. And then put at. Boom. Now you have this. And this is what they're going to see. Three nights at. Now we need a name for our game. So for me, I'm just going to say 3 nights at, let's say 3 nights at, I don't know, 3 nights, guys, you need to think of a good name. This is what I have trouble with. I would say, guys, I'm sorry, I'm taking forever. I'm just trying to think. 5 nights out. Hold on, wait. I think I almost got it. Wait. We'll just do snacks. 5 nights at snacks. Let's say this is like some kind of factory. 3 nights at snacks. Right there. So I kind of want to lower this to like 110. And then there we go. Simple as that. Three nights at snacks. So now when you compile and press play, this is what we see. 3 nights at snacks. Now we need to add some buttons. So what you're going to do is clear your text in a blank palette. You're going to search button. And then place it down. And then you have a button. Now go to your palette and grab a text. Now, of course, when you hit compile and then like press play, it just like, it doesn't look good because you want it to be the text and you want it to blend in to make it look professional. Well, that's easy. With the style, you can just do normal, tint, and then it looks like you're going to press a text. But you also need to make it so when they hover over it, it's the same color. And like when it's pressed, it still stays the same. So now it looks like you can click the text right here. Now it looks like you can click the text. And we're gonna put this text, since it's a Fnaf game, to new game. Now we need this size to fit it perfectly. So we'll say 100. That is way too big. We'll do 60. 50. 50 looks good. It technically fits the whole thing. Compile it. And now, as you can see, it looks like you're clicking the text. Yeah, so much better. It feels so much better. Now up here by the button, click the button, Control W. Now you have the same thing. And then for this one, we're going to put now I'm just going to move these up a little. And for this one, we're going to put load game or continue. For me, I'm just going to put load game. And then I said like last time, Control W. And now, and this last button is going to be quit. And this last one is going to say quit. Quit. And there we go. So now this is what they see. Now it looks like you're pressing the text. And I kind of want to change it. So for snacks, we can just put like a, we'll just say for snacks, we can put red. And for the text, we can put a different color like green. I kind of like that green actually. That green looks nice. And then I have low game, new game, quit, all that. Now we need to actually get these buttons working. So what we're going to do is come over here to our button, which is new game. Click on it right there. Go all the way down to on clicked. And this is going to be our new game. So we're just going to do open level by name. Now, for the level I use, it's going to be content, third person BP, maps, and our third person example map. Control C. And then Control V, and that's it. So now when they press that, it's going to remove them from the tile screen and move them to the game. Go back to designer. And then load game we'll do at the end because we really don't have anything built and we don't have the code built in yet. So yeah, we're just going to do the quit button. Quit on clicked. So for this quit button, what we're going to do is do quit game. That's it. That is it. Just quit game. Simple as that. Compile and save. And now close out of that. And boom, you have new game. That works. And then you also have quit, which will take you out and just close the game. But we need to make, but there seems to be a problem. When you click, the mouse cursor disappears. We can fix that. Go to third person BP, blueprints, and then your third person game mode. Control C, and then go to your main menu. Control V. And then call this main menu game mode. Main menu game mode. And then go over here to world settings. And if you don't have that, go up here to a window. And then down here, world settings. So open that. And now you have your game mode override. Which we are going to select our main menu game mode, which we just made. So what we're going to do that. And then go down to select a game mode. And then you have our default pawn class. Which keep that. And we need to switch our player controller, so it's easy. Right click, and then go to blueprint class, and we have player controller up here, or you can just search player controller. Select, and then do PC. I'll just put PC. Open that up, and find show mouse cursor, true. Compile, save. Close it, and then for our player controller, you're going to do the PC. So now, as you can see, when you click, it doesn't disappear unless you click inside the game for your player to move. So that is basically it on this first tutorial of part 1 on how to make a FNAF fan game. This is basically our first thing. By the end of this, we're going to have static here, and in part 2, we'll probably make the animatronic in the tile screen. But thank you guys so much for watching, and this was amazing. I really wanted to make a FNAF fan game. This took me forever to find all these things. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for the second part of this, and I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.